Hi future nurses. Hand waving. Today we are diving into hypertension, also known as high blood pressure. Don't worry, I'll make it super easy to understand, and yes, we'll also cover what nurses need to do to manage it. What is hypertension? Speech balloon. Blood pressure is the force of blood against your artery walls. When that pressure stays too high for too long, we call it hypertension. Stethoscope normal BP, 128th of a millimeter of mercury. Warning hypertension, 149th of a millimeter of mercury or more. Right anger bubble. Imagine your heart as a water pump. If pressure in the pipes is too high, the system gets damaged. Same in our body. Eyes. Types of hypertension. Primary, essential, most common. No known cause. Linked to lifestyle, stress, poor diet, smoking, obesity. Secondary, has a known cause. Examples: kidney disease, pregnancy, pre-eclampsia, medications. Brain. Easy tip to remember. Right finger, primary equals poor lifestyle. Right finger, secondary equals some other condition. Warning symptoms, though it's often silent. Headache. Dizziness. Nosebleeds. Blurred vision. Chest pain. Warning, but most people feel nothing, that's why it's called the silent killer. Test tube diagnosis. Use a BP monitor, sphygmomanometer. Confirm with multiple readings on different days. Ambulatory BP monitoring may be used for accuracy. Pill treatment and management. Green salad 1. Lifestyle changes. Reduce salt. Eat a heart-healthy diet, diet. Exercise regularly. Quit smoking. Manage stress. Limit alcohol. Pill 2. Medications, ABCDs. A. ACE inhibitors, lisinopril. B. Beta blockers, metoprolol. C. Calcium channel blockers, amlodipine. D. Diuretics, hydrochlorothiazide. Brain mnemonic, ABCD. Woman health worker memo. Nursing management of hypertension. Light bulb. Your role as a nurse is critical. Check mark 1. Assessment. Monitor BP regularly, sitting, standing, lying. Check heart rate and rhythm. Monitor for side effects of meds, e.g., dizziness, dry cough with ACE inhibitors. Assess for target organ damage. Check eyes, blurred vision, kidneys, urine output, heart, chest pain. Books 2. Education, patient teaching. Explain the importance of taking medication regularly. Teach how to monitor BP at home. Encourage low-salt diet and healthy lifestyle. Warn about silent symptoms. Regular checkups are key. Help manage stress, relaxation techniques, support groups. Pill 3. Medication administration and monitoring. Give medications as prescribed. Watch for hypotension, especially after first dose. Monitor potassium levels, especially with ACE inhibitors and diuretics. Educate on timing of medications, some work best in the morning. Clipboard 4. Documentation. Record BP readings accurately. Note patient response to treatment. Document any education given. Note side effects or non-compliance. Handshake 5. Emotional support. Reassure patient that hypertension can be controlled. Encourage regular follow-up with the healthcare team. Address anxiety or fears about lifestyle changes. Package summary. Let's wrap it up. Stethoscope hypertension equals BP is greater than or equal to 140/90. Eyes often silent, may not show symptoms. Pill controlled with lifestyle plus medications, ABCD. Woman health worker nurses assess, educate, give meds, and support the patient. Brain remember, your job as a nurse can prevent stroke, kidney damage, and heart failure just by managing BP right. Speaking head, outro. Now you're ready to manage hypertension like a pro nurse. Don't forget, even if a patient feels okay, high BP can still be hurting them inside. Like, share, and subscribe to Simple Nursing for more simplified nursing lessons. See you soon.